and I'll make room for two. Just you and I, Jesus. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. Oh, baby. Sing it out, everybody. You are all that matters. Oh, you are all second as one mind. I believe, he has one mind. You are you. I believe. He has one mind. God of Uganda. One mind, God of Kampala, that's all God of Uganda, one mind, I believe, he has one mind, you are you, I believe, he has one mind. God of Uganda has one mind. God of Kampala, that's all God of Uganda, no more delay. It's like a river in my soul. See, you make the little things I do be like saying a big kingdom. Somebody shout it. Your grace makes a difference. Just embarrass me. I like you. Oh, yeah. I like the way you lead me. Just lift those hands and magnify his name. Exalt his holy name. The psalmist says, bless the Lord, O my soul, and all that is within me, bless his holy name. Bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not his benefits. The Lord is set to visit us tonight, but I wanted to lift up a voice of thanksgiving. We glorify you tonight.
You can lift up your hands, you can touch your chest as you pray with me. Say, Jesus, Son of the living God, I come to you in total surrender. Everything I lay down at your cross. The same way you laid your life down for me, I lay my life down for you. Lord, I repent of my sin. I repent of my foolish. Tonight is a night of encounter. I cried so much. I was holding the tissue they gave me or whatever it is while GUC was worshiping, leading us in worship. And then came that message of the cross. I want to honor all the men and women of God that are here. I want to honor my friend Apostle Roman. And I want to thank Daddy Wampa and Mecca Wampa, who is the chairman. You see, we're still praying. You can't make those kind of noise.